Welcome to Sparkson!
Today we're going over the line truck. I'm Zach Medeiros.
I'm Logan Martinez.
What's your name?
Wyatt.
Wyatt, nice to meet you. The line truck's primary use is to dig holes and set poles. We have crews that reconduct jobs, they do pole change outs, and they use the line truck every day.
You can extend this trailer out to haul bigger poles. These right here are 45s. That's what the bottom of the pole tells you right there. So it's a 45-foot pole. From this end to that end, it's 45 feet. And then you can extend the trailer out to make it to haul way bigger poles. We got poles all the way up to I think 75 and 80 foot. And you can spread it all the way out and haul them big old poles.
Yeah, so when you load your poles, you always got to strap them down. And we have a light that goes on the back of the poles for cars riding behind you. They see that they're there. And when we get to the job, sometimes we can't always fit the trailer in where we need to be, so we had to side load poles on the pole rack up there. And we had to strap it down right there also. And then we can get the poles in and out of the jobs easier.
This right here, this is what we use to pick the poles up and move them all around. Like little tongs. So open up and
Squeeze the pole.
That's what you're doing. You pick up the poles, you can move them all around, and you use the truck with have a winch on it.
We use this truck to frame poles too, so a lot of stuff when we frame poles, we have to use this bit to drill the holes with. You got drills.
This is called long stick. How high do you think this thing can go?
13 feet.
13 feet. That's a good guess.
That's a good guess. They can go way up high. Just keep on going.
How long does it take to change a pole?
Change a pole, time depends. There's a lot of factors that go into it. Time of night, time of day, what's on the pole. So anywhere from an hour to 6 or 7 sometimes, depending on what's going on with the pole. That's called an auger. That's what we use to drill the holes to set the poles in. And it just drills a big hole in the ground, and we got to clean the dirt off of it before we set it and all that. And like Logan was telling you, we pick the poles up with the boom, then we're able to set them and all that.
How do you get up there?
We have these stairs, and you can climb up there and get on the seat. Up there where he's at, he has controls at his hands, and he can do everything up there. He can run that winch down. That winch is what we use to pick the poles up with. He can also run that auger I told you about to dig the holes. And the things up top, so he can extend that out. This is the auger I was telling you about that we use to dig the holes. With this, you could probably dig like 15, 17 foot deep. We use this every day. So after we use this and stow it back where it belongs, we use this rope and the boom to pick the poles up. And those things up there open up, and it'll grab the pole once it gets to the certain angle that it needs to be. And then we use the truck to set the poles.
Oh, these are cones. We use these. Every truck's got some cones on it, and we put these on the side of the road when we're in the middle of the road and stuff like that, just so cars can see us and they know where we're working at. So if you see these rolling down the road, there's probably some working going on. Safety is our #1 priority. So we have all kinds of PPE and safety stuff. We got strobe lights in the trucks. Do you want to get in the truck and start it up?
Yeah!
All right. You need some help? Oh yeah, there you go. Grab onto that. Turn it all the way to the right. You turn it like that. Other way. Turn it the other way. There you go. Turn it that way. Keep turning it. It's kind of hard to turn it. You got it. Turn the truck up.